Hello everyone, we are now doing our 2.6 module, and in this module you will be doing a research on propositions and or candidates for the November 22 elections that just passed. And before we start, you will open up your guided practice presentation slides. And I want you to look over the slides. When you click on this, that's going to take you to our slides over here. And then when you click on this is going to take you to the checklist of what I'm looking for in the slides. So all you need is a title slide, one proposition, summarize and explain the proposition. What does a yes or a no vote mean? The supporters, who are the people who are against it, and what's your recommendation? And then your candidates, who are the key supporters, who are the donors or recommendation, and then closing, why it's important to you, why it's important for you and your generation, right? Number of your group members, there can only be 2 at the most. We're not going to have 3 and we're not going to have 4, just 2 people. And whatever slide you worked on, you are going to put your name at the bottom of that slide. You are also more than welcome to work alone. So first thing is you're going to get familiar with the slides. Here are the vocabulary words again. And in this section, you are going to read through here and you're going to get to know the people who are representatives of your district. When you go to 1, you are going to notice that it takes you, let me remove this if I can move this. It's going to take you to this link. And with that link, you are going to research the person that represents you and you're going to answer your question. You're going to answer and respond here. And here's a task. Once you figure out who are the people and you realize who are the people from your city, you're going to be creating a voter's guide of a candidate or a proposition, or you can do both. Slide must be creative without being too wordy. You don't, and not many words, just good summarizations. And here are the California propositions. Here are the candidates that are running. And here is our Santa Clara County. These are the slides that in the slides, this is the information I'll be giving you that you will need to find. And same goes for the proposition slides. Slide 1, what is a summary? Slide 2, what does a yes vote and a no vote mean? Slide 3, what's the economic impact? Slide 4, who are supporters or donors? And slide 5, what's the recommendation that you need? And this goes for our candidate slide, okay? Okay. When you find your information, because I know this can get very overwhelming, you will get the way you're going to access that research is by going, to 2.5 organizer. So you're going to click on this organizer. And to go onto that website, you're going to go here, KQED. And you're going to click on a proposition. Let's say I want to do Proposition 29. I'm going to go on Proposition 29. And Proposition 29 gives me all of the information, what it means. Here's the yes argument and the no argument. This is how much money they're fundraising, the people who support it and people who don't support it. And when you go onto these propositions, you pretty much have to like figure out the web of the website. We are from Santa Clara County, so all of your information that you are going to be looking for is in Santa Clara County right here. These are all the people that ran I believe Matt Mahan is our person who won. But anyway, you're gonna choose those. And it's a lot of information, I know. But what I want you to do is just go down through that research. Go down through the research, and then at the end, just choose whoever you want. That way, you're not getting super confused. Okay? And when it comes to the propositions, you are only choosing one proposition, just one. You're not going to be doing all of these propositions. So you're only choosing one. So when when you are done, I would like you to, if you have any when you are done, I want you to check in with me to make sure that you um are not confused. That way I can guide you through this website. Okay? All right, folks. Have a good rest of your day. I'll be in class if you have any questions.